Welcome, friends! Today we'll be learning all the letters of the alphabet, their sounds, and even some words that start with each letter. Are you ready? Let's go! A. The letter A sometimes says A. Alligator, astronaut. The letter A sometimes says A. Acorn, ape. B. Ball, boy. C. The letter C sometimes says clock, cake. The letter C sometimes says circle, circus. D. Duck, dinosaur. E. The letter E sometimes says elevator, elephant. The letter E sometimes says eel, eagle. F. Fish, frog. G. The letter G sometimes says goose, girl. The letter G sometimes says giraffe, gem. H. Horse, hat. I. The letter I sometimes says insect, igloo. The letter I sometimes says ice cream, icicle. J. Jacket, jungle. K. Kangaroo, kitten. L. Leaf, lemon. M. Milk, mouse. N. Night, nest. O. The letter O sometimes says octopus, ostrich. The letter O sometimes says
O, O.
ocean, oval. P, P. Pirate, pizza. Q, Q. Queen, quack. R, R. Rocket, rainbow. S, S. Snail, star. T, T. Television, turtle. U, U. The letter U sometimes says umbrella, up. The letter U sometimes says U, U. Unicorn, ukulele. V, V. Vase, vegetables. W, W. Walrus, waffle. Axe, axe. The letter X sometimes says box, box. The letter X sometimes says axe, axe. X-ray. The letter X sometimes says
Z, Z.
xylophone. Y, Y.
Y, Y.
Yellow, yawn. C, C.
Z, Z.
Zebra, zoo.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more fun ESL videos. If you want to improve your English language skills, visit esltutorforkids.com for personalized online English lessons. Book your assessment today, and let's unlock your full potential together. Until next time, keep learning and keep having fun. Bye.